Kulai pi baro season 4. Kijam tip menta na beta gitu ki balapas ki exam ki jong pi jongka Indian Army Agnivir Arjar Arpsan mo. Te itu ki balapas ki nik exam subhaban page kan ki video do ka bakut ngan EAP ki tarik lano primare kumjuru ekit kat lano pinio bat kumjuru yaki por bapin report. Bat yaki kot kisla ki jungan kam bai pi de banra ketika sengi. Barak banikong haswa bang EAP yaki notice ki bada ban pelaj subhaban like ban share ban subscribe ru balada pimpat subscribe subhaban subscribe lang ya ka channel ke jonga berkum juru pinyo sibun ki jingman toy na kapor bang tips bang ki jingdan kam berkum juru la sapis ngo bakan ki video kan jingman toy na bata ke jongpi subhaban like kublai ton ban EAP mta yaki notification. Reciting Office Headquarters Shillong will be conducting Army Recitement Rally of all District of Meghalaya. Example, Agnivir General Duty, Agnivir Technical, Agnivir Collect, Agnivir Treatment 10 Pass, and Agnivir Treatment 8 Pass at 58 Gorkha Training Center, Happy Valley, Shillong. Taking the post baro nataka Agnivir General Duty, nataka Technical, nataka Collect, nataka Treatment kiba Pass Class 10, nataki Treatment Pass Class 8. Kajaka pepin lit mare kade po jongka 58 Gorkha Training Center, Happy Valley, Shillong. Pihaban le jate kajaka pepin le ban mare rada pin parti bi kajaka pihaban le wat choy kajaka kram pin suk. Ya kan ikan notification apply nya po jongka Reciting Office Headquarters Shillong na po Shillong hi Headquarters Shillong jongka Indian Army. But kat sau tarik kaduka kat nyo tarik Oktober kadi kapor ba pin mare mo berkadimit karu kumju pin sayo hi. The shortlist candidate will be required to report at 58 Gorkha Training Center at 3 a.m. on date as mentioned in admit card. The candidate should be in possession of admit card and other document in original as mentioned in the rally notification. Tenam tak itu balapas pihaban report yaka jaka bare jong pihaban report apo jongka jaka 58 Gorkha Training Center apo Happy Valley apo Shillong nadu jongka lai baje men step lai baje mo nadu jong step pihaban report ang tu apo Happy Valley hakapor ba haka sengi bapi la mention apo jongka admit card bapi ban lai baram taki kot kisla pihaban ra di original berkum juru pihaban sirok yakiteki dokumen ki jongpi pihabra lang bari ki sirok la lang bari ki original. Email to the shortlist candidate have been sent informing them about rally schedule. Te kila da ban send dak email jongki ru kumju apo jongka email ke jongpi nta itu ban ki baki inform pi nta ka rally schedule. The shortlist candidate who have not been received their admit card or they are unable to download admit card are advised to approach the Reciting Office Headquarters dalam tatu ki kandidat ki bompa dio receive ya jongka hapo jongka email lani pimla ban download di admit card ki jongpi pila ban kontak hapo jongka Reciting Office Headquarters Shillong ban long ya ka bakaju berka helpline nomor jongka Reciting Office Headquarters Shillong kadai North Line Riu Sau Arsan North Sau Way Nyo but namta ke email kadai rohqs Shillong gmail.com. Teta namta itu kiba bompa dio banalo di admit card kumjuru itu bompa receive ya ki jington kam apo jongka email ke jongpi pila ban call union bar North Line Riu Sau untuk lani pila ru ban message apo jongka email ke jongpi pila masen apo jong uni email belap ayang ni tangkin di kijing tip ngon rak sepi menta kublai sibun.
Yeah.